Hello and welcome back. We will take the hairs from both the sides and tie it using a rubber band, then rotate it. Now tie all the hairs and then we will divide the hairs from the between and then roll it upward and fix it using a bun pin and it's ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail and then make the plaits as shown in the video. Make it very carefully and watch the video very carefully. The hairstyle is little bit different, so watch the video very carefully to know how we are making this. And at the end, we will tie it using a rubber band and your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Next we will tie a ponytail and then put a bun pin in it and then we will roll the leftover hairs and your bun is ready. Next we will tie a ponytail, divide your hairs in two parts and then divide it from the between. Then rotate your hairs, follow the same step for the other side as well. Then we will pull out the hairs from the sides as we are doing in this video. Then we will fix the hairs together by rolling it upside using a rubber band. Then we will fix the leftover hairs by folding it and your hairstyle or a bun is ready. Thanks for watching. Bye.